Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So starting off, I already did my eyebrows and I'm just doing my base right now, trying to hide all the redness and veins. It was a rough week, as you can tell by my under eyes, so just ignore that. Then I'm going to be picking up the color Miami by the Kim Kardashian X Makeup by Mario collab palette. I'm going to be putting this color all in the crease. It's going to really warm up the eyelid and prepare us for our next shade. The next shade I'm picking up is Loyalty. I'm going to use this just deeply in the inner and outer corner and then connecting it right in the crease. I'm going to try to really smoke out these eyeshadows. You want it to look very smoky. And of course just blend everything in. For the most important shade is going to be Libra. I'm just wetting my brush a tiny bit. You really don't need to. Just putting that in the middle of the eyelid and then deepening everything up once again with Loyalty. You want to make sure you really blend these colors out. Moving on to the face, I used a Wet n Wild Photo Focus Primer. Just put that all over my face, and then City Colors Illuminating Cream. I really wanted to brighten up my complexion because, as you can tell, I was having a pretty rough week, so I just wanted to look a little bit more glowy. And I'm just going to blend that out and then add my foundation and concealer. Actually, I did not add foundation. I lied. It looks like I only added concealer. And then I set all of that with my translucent powder. I made sure to bake just a tiny bit. To continue on the eyes, I just added the same colors from above on the lower lash line, first with Miami and then to darken it up with Loyalty. Make sure to blend everything out. And then I'm just wiping off the powder. I'm also going to bronze up my face with a little bit of bronzer. I also added a tiny bit of blush. And then I finished off the eyes with some eyelashes and mascara. I'm just highlighting my brow bone here and all the high points of my face. To finish off the look, I used the Shiny 30 Chunky Pencils. I used the color Sweetheart. I'm just lining my lips with it and then filling it in. And at the very end, I added a lip gloss. And that is it for this video. If you liked it, don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time.